Okay, so this is a short video. So this is topic 26, current in a magnetic field. And what we're doing today is problem 4. It was brought to my attention that I made a maths error here, and when I double checked, it turns out it's correct. So when we did these values here, F equals BIL cos for parallel and F equals BIL sine for perpendicular, our values are not these. When I did them, I forgot to insert a value. I think it was the 2.5 or something. So what we should actually get for our parallel, we should work out to be 1.875 newtons. And our perpendicular should work out to be 3.25 newtons. Okay? So there we go. So is that what they wanted? Revolve the magnetic flux density into its components parallel and perpendicular for the wire. So we've got the force. So therefore part 2 is simply that the perpendicular is that. The force is not 2.6. The force is actually 3.25 newtons. Okay, and the last bit, in what direction does it act? It acts perpendicular. However, what I have forgotten to do now, because I basically jumped to that and answered the second part, the second, third, and the fourth part, I forgot to answer the first part, which was resolve the magnetic flux density into components parallel and perpendicular. So I forgot that bit. So I'm going to squeeze that bit over here. Okay? So we have to find the magnetic flux density. So without reading the question properly, I jumped ahead, found the forces, and moved on. Okay? So the parallel component, okay, is simply going to be, all right, our magnetic flux density, which was 3 Tesla, cos our angle of 60, and our perpendicular is going to be 3 Teslas and the perpendicular sine of 60. That's it. Okay, and that's where my mistakes came in. I said 1.5 Teslas for here and 2.6 Teslas for here. All right, so when I did this out, ironically, I had the right answers for the wrong part. So 1.5 is actually the magnetic flux density, and 2.6 is the flux density of the perpendicular. Okay, so that's part 1 answered over here. Okay, so when I answered it earlier, I made a mistake. I accidentally put down, I don't know how I managed to do it, but I accidentally just did 3 sine 60, 3 cos 60, and got the actual magnetic flux density by mistake and put it down as a force.